Beta, now open your copies, SST copies, mention the date, classwork, Unit 4, Culture and Society, Lesson 13, Religion and Languages. Topic question answers है, page number आपका है 92. Now your question number 1. Explain in your own words what is meant by culture. Answer is, culture is the way people live, dress, speech, eat and behave in general. Culture is the way people live, dress, speech, eat and behave in general. Now question number 2. What are some of things which make up a culture of a country? Answer is religion, language, the arts, literature, music, dance, poetry, traditions, and customs of people are some of things which make up culture. Now, your question number 3. In which book would you find the teaching of Jesus Christ? Your answer is we will find the teaching of Jesus Christ in Bible. We will find the teaching of Jesus Christ in Bible. Now question number 4. What is a Gurdwara? Answer is Gurdwara is a place of worship in the Sikh religion. Question number 5 is list the main religions of the subcontinent. Main religions of subcontinent are Islam, Hinduism, Christianity, Sikhism, Buddhism, Zoroastrianism. Now your question number 6 is these are fill in the blanks. Number 1 is dash is the difficult word culture. Answer blank में आप लिखेंगे culture. Number 2, our country is called the dash Islamic Republic Pakistan. Number 3, nearly dash % of the population are Muslims in Pakistan. 96. Blank fill करें 96. Number 4, the followers of Islam are called Muslims. Number 5, the Holy Quran is revealed to Hazrat Muhammad sallallahu alaihi wa alihi wasallam. Now your 6 blank is every Pakistani is free to follow his her dash में लिखे faith. Now number 7, culture also dash and dash with time change and grows. Number 8, there are many dash countries in the world, Islamic countries. And now note down your homework. Do work page number 93 and 103 on book. Do work page number 93 and 103 on book.